Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to make prawn gravy. It's a South Indian style recipe. It's something that I've created on my own with a combination of some flavors from Kerala and Tamil Nadu. And I'm really looking forward to teaching this. I am sure you will love this. You'll enjoy making this for your family. And do let me know what you think. I will be sharing the ingredients as we go. So watch it and make it. Heat a pan and add some coconut oil. I'm adding half a cup of coconut oil. In this, you can add 1 cup of chopped small onions. You can also use one large onion finely chopped. I'm using both of them, or you can just use small onions itself. We will fry it till it comes to a nice golden brown. I'm just adding in some garlic. I have a garlic press which I'm using. I'm adding about 8 to 10 garlic. If you don't have a garlic press, you can just finely chop them and add as well. Mix the garlic well along with the onions. I would like the garlic also to come to a nice golden color. Meanwhile, you can start by adding the curry leaves. This is a very simple and easy recipe. You just have to get the ingredients. See, it's turning to a nice golden brown. It took me about 5-10 minutes to get this color. At this time, I will add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. I've added a lot of garlic already, but with the taste of ginger, it will taste even better. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of special garam masala. I've already shared the recipe of how to make this masala. Do make it and keep it, and you can use it as you make your South Indian gravies. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1.5 teaspoons of chili powder. This is a nice spicy gravy. And about 1.5 teaspoons of coriander powder. Mix all this well and let it cook. Let the raw smell go. We will make the gravy completely and then add the prawns, because it takes only about 2 or 3 minutes for the prawns to get done. Look at that. It's now a nice brown gravy. It's all done. It is correctly at this time that you can go ahead and add the prawns. I have about half a kg of prawns which I'm adding to this. Clean it well and you can add it to this. Now remember, it will take you only 2 to 3 minutes to cook prawns. Do not overcook. You can in fact time yourself if you need to. Do not overcook because it will turn very rubbery and hard. So I'm mixing the gravy along with the prawns. I'm adding some black pepper powder, roughly about a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Give it a nice mix. I'm going to close this with a lid for about a minute, not more than that. Generally the prawns leaves a little bit of water, so after a minute you can just remove it. It'll be done. I'm seasoning it with salt. This stage is important. I have about 1/4 cup of grated coconut, which I have made it to a nice brown color by dry roasting it. That and again some fresh curry leaves. I'm going to add it to this. Give it a nice mix. It's already done, so you can switch off the flame at any point of time now. I'll end it by adding again a teaspoon of black pepper powder. You can add a teaspoon or more depending on how spicy you want it. And that's it, it's done. This is a very delicious recipe. You must try it at home. It's made with the flavors of coconut, grated coconut, prawns that's freshly cooked, some curry leaves, and South Indian spices. I am sure your family will enjoy this and you will enjoy it as well. Happy cooking and happy eating.